wondering, what are we doing in Slaminess City? We're here to discover more about the Slamanian culture and learn about animals and their unique characteristics. My friend Zid gave me a list of 7 things to do in the city. He says they're the popular attractions and establishments here. Our first stop is the Mova Mova Dance Academy, the place where snakes slither, cats prowl, and dogs perfect their tail wags. It's a center for movement and fun. With us today is Sir Gorf the Frog to answer our questions. Sir, what's the secret in your success behind the Dance Academy? Well, first and foremost, animals are known to be able to move. Oh, please follow me as I give you a tour around the academy. Here is a famous painting of one of our students. It is an abstract for the muscles and nerves that are responsible for the coordinated movements of all animals. Now, let me tell you of the history of movement with the aid of a video my students created in their past performances.
In the beginning, animals moved simply. The first animals were invertebrates, meaning they do not have backbones. They were squishy beings and their movements consisted of elastic and relaxing actions. Then came animals with hard shells, the first crustaceans, ancestors of crabs. They could open and shut and scuttle along the ocean floor. Finally, the animals with backbones came. They could bend, straighten, turn and twist their bodies.
Wow, that was really awesome! Thank you very much, Sir Gorf, for giving us an exclusive tour of the Dance Academy. On to our next destination. Nervosa Art Gallery. This place is said to be an amazing art gallery full of pieces that portray, that express the amazing system called the nervous system. Let's view the amazing pieces. I feel super inspired to pick up a paintbrush. Now, the next and final stop for today is the Respera Strip, a commercial hub for shops, businesses, and it is known for its restaurants and architecture. Tired from walking around. I think I'll have to check in this hotel and drink this delicious, delightful drink. Thank you for watching.